When design meets flexibility, this is our 4-panel aluminum sliding door system. 1 panel fixed, 3 fully operable, built for clients who want to close the largest spaces without compromising on aesthetics. Each panel moves smoothly on precision rollers, allowing you to open all 3 doors to one side and create a wide, uninterrupted opening, perfect for parties, events, or simply enjoying a full panoramic view. When closed, it delivers a uniform, modern look with excellent insulation and structural strength. Crafted with premium aluminum profiles and high-quality glass, this door blends elegance with functionality. Ideal for villas, lounges, or large openings that demand both beauty and practicality. If you'd like a quotation or want our team to visit your site for measurements, simply comment quotation below or chat on WhatsApp. We'll guide you through every detail.